Hey guys, what's going on? I am Jack and this is Log Cabin Firewood. So today I am finally going to fire up the chainsaw. I have not fired up my chainsaw since 2 weeks before Christmas, and I cut on some of the oak from Funk's house over here that wasn't so nice. It's gonna get stacked up at my house and will probably become boiler wood. Some of it's good, it's probably still good in the center. It just kind of looks a little punky. It had been standing dead probably for the past 8 years, and a windstorm finally took it over. And then Funk cut it up, cut it up into manageable pieces and asked me if I wanted it. But since boiler season is almost over, I need to get some wood back on my boiler pad, and I had mentioned that I picked up these 2 bundles of slab wood. Now, this is gonna be a pain in the butt, I can already tell, and I know it's going to be, but I'm in a good mood right now. I got a good head on my shoulders, except I forgot my beer. I did. I forgot my adult beverages. Dang it. It's okay, I have coffee, second best beverage. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting some of this up. I did go through and roughly cut, 16-inch marks on here, or mark out 16 inches. Some of the outer pieces where all these stop, it's not gonna be perfect. But yeah, it's been a while since I've been over here. Looks like somebody got into my pine. Looks like a little bit got ripped out of there. Whatever. This will be good campfire wood this year, because I am going to put some loose racks at my house for camping season. This is where we left off over here with the Axis, and the Axis is dead. Yeah, she's dead. I gotta pull the battery off, or I might even just pull it home and service it while it's at the house, and charge the battery while it's at home too. But yeah, everything here is still intact. Yeah, lots to do. There was a tree service next to me yesterday when I was dumping those leaves, and they had a whole dump trailer full of river birch, and I wish I had got to them earlier, because they had cut it up into just junk pieces. Like, I don't like dealing with like stuff that tree guys think is firewood. We're a little bit more picky around here, as somebody mentioned in the comments one day, and I'm picky because I can get premium prices for my product, and that's okay. If you don't want to be picky and be at the bottom of the barrel, that's cool too. That's on you. I'm not about that life. They ended up breaking the drive shaft off the truck trying to get it out of the mud, and the foreman there was like, whoa, stop, the drive shaft is broke. I heard him, and he was like, I'm sorry, my friend, I can't get you wood today. And then this morning they got the truck fixed, and they just drove on up the road. He didn't even bring it over here. I was like, man, I could have really used that stuff, because river birch is really good wood. It smells amazing. But here we go. I am going to fire up the 500i. I think it's got a good chain on it. I just briefly grabbed this thing. I think I put them away with good chains. Let's hope so. But yeah, I hope everybody's been doing awesome. I've been pretty good. But here we go. 500i time. Well, we got some wood in the trailer, and I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more cuts to do on this. And I'm not sure if this is gonna work or not. I mean, it's working. I just feel like there has to be a better way to do this. And maybe I need to go get the 661 with the 3-foot bar. That way I can get through here a little bit better. I might actually go do that. I'm just worried about the kickback with that saw. And it's heavier. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I do the 3-foot bar or just keep rocking this out with the 500? Let me finish this last cut, this last row I'm at, and then I'll go get the 660 and we'll try that with the bar, the big bar. In typical Jack fashion, can you guys guess what I did? Yep, I did it. First cut of the 661 with the 36-inch bar and chain, I put it right into the dirt. I do think that the 36-inch bar is the way to cut through this pile. I need to maybe pick this next one up and get it on some good runners, I think. I think this sitting on the ground is my issue. Like, I need to get, you know, just some sacrificial boards, like maybe even go over here and cut a couple of these treated boards, although he probably doesn't want me to do that because those are still good, like, boards for a pier. But maybe I will, the next one, I'll try and get it rolled up onto some 4x4s or 6x6s and actually space them out. That way I'm not cutting into the dirt. Let's get one of these saws fired up and get this last little piece done. I got 3 more cuts and it's time to stack. Well, there is one bundle bucked up. I'm probably gonna say it's right at, it's a little over a cord. Probably right at a cord. We'll see when I stack it up, but a lot of it is like kindling, like, and this is mostly all poplar too. So I'm sure I'm going to cook through this stuff a lot faster, because typically I go through a full cord of, you know, the good wood I've been burning a month. I mean, 30 days I burned a full cord, and that's heating 3,400 square foot. My garage is 65 degrees, my house is 74 degrees, and my domestic water. A little bit of work. I don't know if I will continue getting bundles. I don't know if the juice is worth the squeeze on this one. What do you guys think? I mean, I don't have to split any of this. It's cut, it's done, but it took me a little over 2 hours to cut this. And cutting into this pile, it's not easy. This is a lot of work. I saw some guys on TikTok, they have like a conveyor. I think Heath and Rachel actually set a conveyor up on their like samurai thing on the back of their tractor. But it's like a roller system, like a 10-foot roller. and he put a saw on there, and it's got to stop, and he just slides the wood over and it stops and he just cuts it. But you got to do one piece at a time. As to where me just going through with the 36-inch bar, you know, I'm going right through the pile. I don't know. I think this one here, I might cut it a little bit bigger too. I might try and go 2 feet, especially since this stuff is, you know, kindling size. I think 2 feet might work out better. I do think I'm gonna burn through more of this than my my good wood. I don't know. It's all an experiment here. We're doing this for you. So I'm gonna get this stacked up probably later on tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna do it today. I took 4,300 pounds of leaves to the dump in the past 2 days. Yeah, that's over 2 tons that I shoveled into my trailer twice. And then I just cut this and threw this all in the trailer. I'm whooped. But that's all I got for today, guys. I will catch you on the next one. Take care of each other.